Stop beating yourself up. You're not lazy. And if you're anything like me, then you're probably just overwhelmed and or overstimulated. So if you want to regain control of your life and get your shit together, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 actionable steps you can take right now to get back on track. And this took me years in the self-improvement space to actually make a plan for whenever I get off track. Let's make sure you don't make those same mistakes. What's going on, homies and homettes? My name is Ilan and welcome to Peak Life Vibes. This is my first long form video, so if you enjoy, please share it with a friend. Step 1 is to take attendance. Let me explain. Life can get busy enough to get lost in routine. So what actually got you here? Before we get into the 2 other major steps, we have to find the root of our procrastination. See, I've been putting off starting this YouTube channel for a while now, and I always created excuses that seemed to make sense in my head, but after a few months, I started beating myself up for not starting already. Why was I avoiding it? I mean, avoidance is a big reason for procrastination. We all avoid certain things because of fears, fear of judgment, fear of failure, because of uncertainty, because of pain. Whatever the reason might be, the best way to find out is by writing out a list of exactly what you want from life. And I'm not talking the superficial kind where it's going to take you 2 minutes. I mean, really sit down and think, what would you do if you knew you could not fail? Man, I love that quote. Step 2 is to reframe your mentality. Despite it possibly being boring or uncomfortable, you need to use these moments as opportunity for growth. Another quote I live by, you either succeed or you learn. There is no failure. So try catching yourself every time you think negatively about something. Try extracting the good from every situation. Scared to make a video? Well, the only way to get better is to do it time and time again. Don't want to study? Well, if you do, you'll get a better grade, which will open more doors for you in the future. See, because I believe that most actions have a ripple effect. Whatever you're doing right now is changing the path that your life was on before you started. If you want to start going to the gym, the best time would be right now. Same with anything else. And finally, step 3, embrace the lesson. You can't master anything right away. It takes time, it takes failure, it takes consistency. We all want everything instantly, and social media teaches us that we can. But the world teaches us that we can't. I remember when I first started going to the gym, I wanted to lose weight. I wanted to be able to lift a plane and run a marathon. But the reality is I couldn't bench the bar. I was out of breath just walking. And it took a while before I started seeing weight loss. But I stayed consistent despite failing some PRs. I kept pushing. I lost over 100 pounds. I could bench over 250 pounds. And I could play an entire hockey game without feeling tired. Those are wins in my book. And the progress came from repetition. If you made it to this point in the video, comment the word starting now for a shout out in the next video. And if you found value in the content, please subscribe and share with a friend. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.